Hi, my name is Glen and this is Melina. And for today we're going to be showing you the Argentine Tango. So the first thing we're going to work on and show you is just a weight distribution. What I'm going to do is step forward with my left foot and Melina's going to step back with her right foot. I'm going to bring my feet to close, Melina brings her foot to close, and then we're just transferring weight. Now I'm going to step back with my right foot, she steps forward, and then we transfer weight. Now I'm going to step to the side, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. So we're going to do this again. Step 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Argentine Tango is unique in the fact that I don't have to do 3, I don't have to do 2, I don't have to do 4. I can do as many as I want as long as it fits within the framework of the music. So I could go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. In terms of the hold, we're just going to have a nice little intimate hold. Okay, I can bring my hand into my heart, bring it to the side. I'm going to drop my head a little bit. Melina drops her head over my left shoulder as well. And we step 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3.